In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a landing page and Signup form in Constant Contact. Start from your Constant Contact dashboard. In the main navigation, click Channels, then select Landing Pages. This is where you can manage and create pages that collect signups or share information outside of your regular emails. Once you are on the landing pages screen, click the button that says Plus Create a Landing Page. Constant Contact will prompt you to choose the type of landing page you want to build. A sign-up landing page is the best choice when your main goal is to capture new email or SMS contacts and send them directly into your lists. A custom landing page is more flexible and works well for promoting products, events, videos, or a simple link-style page for social media. After you choose your landing page type, select a template. You can pick a pre-designed layout that matches your goal to save time, or choose a blank template if you prefer to build everything from scratch. Templates are helpful because they already include a clean structure, so you can focus on your message and your branding. Next, name your landing page. In the top left corner, click the pencil icon or the current page name. This name is mainly for internal organization, so choose something unique and easy to recognize later, especially if you run multiple campaigns. Now you are ready to design and customize. The editor works with drag and drop, similar to the email builder. Use the left-hand toolbar to add blocks like images, text, buttons, or videos, then place them where you want in the layout. Keep the page simple and focused so visitors know exactly what to do. To match your brand, open the Design tab to adjust global colors, fonts, and background graphics. If you are building a custom page and you need to collect information, drag in a form block to create your sign-up form and capture visitor details. When your page looks the way you want, click Continue to configure the final settings. Add a clear page title and description, since these can appear in browser tabs and search results. Set a custom URL ending that is easy to read and recognizable. If the page supports a limited time offer, you can set an optional expiration date to hide it automatically. For performance tracking, you can add a Google Tracking ID or a metapixel. Finally, click Activate to publish your landing page. Once it is live, you will get a shareable link you can use in emails, social posts, or anywhere you promote your sign-up. That covers everything you need to know.